show you how to operate this machine. Turn on the machine and the back. This red button. Okay, now the screen on. Here is start and pause button. Start. Now choose here. You can see out. Out 0 means the PDT light. Intensity. You can see the light on. Choose color, different color. R, B, G, green, white, colorful. Okay, another color. R and B, this color. R and G. Now B and G. Okay, 7 colors. Now here is the model. You can adjust. Model B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, all the mode. Here is the mode. Now we choose Alt 1. Alt 1 control this handle. Alt 1. Intensity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mode. Okay. Now we choose Alt 2. Alt 2 control these 3 handles. Alt 2. You need wear this one. This one. Alt 2 intensity. Start from 2 is okay. 3, energy 3, 4. Okay, can feel a little electricity. Okay, this one. Now this one. You can feel a little electricity too. Okay. And this one. Yes. This is how to operate this machine. Any other questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.